ladies and gentlemen, and all of the Philippines. This is James Santos of Epic News. Today we will be reporting about the weather identity crisis that the Philippines experience every January and February. Let's see what's happening today at Bonifacio Global City. We have Daniel James giving us the weather report in the area.
Thank you, James Santos. And now, as you can see, most of the sky is cloudy, but the sun and heat can still be felt. The weather feels hot, but cold winds are blowing, giving what should be a warm afternoon feel cooler. This explains why a lot of people are outside taking advantage of this rare occurrence at the beginning of every year. As a tropical country near the equator, the Philippines is usually hot. In fact, noontime temperatures in our country usually reach 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. But earlier this noon, the temperature was 29 degrees. That is cooler than the average. Where is this cold air coming from? Why do we experience this weather identity crisis every January and February? Do you have an answer, James Santos?
That's a very interesting question, Daniel James. I think DJ Santos can answer your questions better. He's reporting live at Robinson's Galleria to give us the weather report there. DJ, are you there? Can you hear me?
Hi, James. Yes, I can hear you. It's actually very cold here with a temperature of 26 degrees, but it feels cooler because it's raining and it's bringing cold air right now. Data shows that it will be cooler at night and in the early morning where the temperature will reach 23 to 24 degrees.
Wow, that's cold. I need to ready my blanket tonight. But Daniel James had a question earlier. Why do we experience this weather identity crisis every January and February?
That's a good question. Our tropical country is experiencing this cool weather because of the phenomenon called amihan or northeast monsoon. This wind system brings cool air down from Siberia and northern China, so it drops the temperature in the Philippines, especially at night. The night air also feels dry because there are no clouds in the sky, which usually acts as a blanket, so heat from the ground escapes quickly. This makes the air crisp and cooler.
That explains the weather identity crisis we are experiencing right now. Thank you, DJ Santos, for that explanation. So that's it for our report today. I hope, like me, you now understand why January and February is sometimes hot but can also feel cold. This is James Santos of Epic News, signing off. Hey, this is real? Okay. 3, 2, 1.